My name is James Okoroafor. I'm the MD/CEO of Deetee Industrial Technology here in Kubwa. This is our factory facility. We are in the FMCG, fast-moving consumer products industry. We produce spices. We produce pepper soup, banga spice, and jollof mix, and we intend to expand more than that, but for now these are the products we are producing. You see, you might ask why spices. It has been a thing of interest to be an entrepreneur for a long time. I can trace back when my little girl was having her dedication, my first daughter. We had a visitor from Canada who took our spaghetti soup and was like, what was the spice we used? So we told them we made it ourselves, and they were interested in us making more spice for them. We made it to Canada and subsequently started asking questions to bring more. So I started making spices for them, made some dollars, and I said, wow, if you start asking, let me send in and give me more dollars. So they were signing, people from the neighborhood, the diaspora was asking for the spices, and before you know it, I started nurturing the concept of building the spice company, and we entered experimenting a lot of things. I had a lot of food and nutrition friends, biochems, and my wife was just experimenting, bringing different spices, putting them together and getting the flavor and the taste. And it was interesting that the business we started supplying little by little, the diaspora, little markets, food stalls and the rest, until the AEA, Abuja Enterprise Business Plan competition, which I wrote, and because I knew the business very well and I wanted to carry out the business to more modern way of producing it. And when the competition came, it was not too difficult to articulate the business plan, which I won. And AEA gave me the first money to set up this business. They registered my company for free. They built a website for me and encouraged me so much, because it was through that competition they forced us to have a tangible finished product. It forced me to repackage. I changed the name. Formerly it was Deetee and Deetee Spices. We criticized the name, more acceptable, gone to Deetee Spices, and various clinical classes with Aisha, Dasuki, and Madame in AEA. They criticized the product, and today what you have today is one of the out of their criticism and out of their encouragement that we have all these things to their credits. I must acknowledge that anybody who have not visited AEA as an entrepreneur is losing out in Abuja. I think that they are missing a lot, because it's an experience. Though the money, you might think 1 million is not just the money, it's the exposure, the ability to sit down and conceptualize a feasibility study, write it in a way that is bankable, and people see it as something that is worth it, and I judge it as the best. It gives you confidence. It gave me confidence to write. I can write any kind of business plan, not just for myself. I've been in panels to write business plans for organizations in Niger State, in Lafia, in Nasarawa, in Plateau State, even in Abuja. My experience I gathered from AEA during my business plan competition, I used it this day. I wrote a business plan for microfinance bank that is operating today. All I gained through this process, knowing what it is.
You gained through which process?
The competition.
The competition?
Yes, during the competition process.
The Abuja Enterprise
competition. You don't know what you know until you are judged, until you participate. So I encourage everybody who says doing business to have a business plan. And if you want to know whether your business plan writing is capable or is worth it, I ask you to subscribe and apply to Abuja business plan competition. We subscribed, yes, we paid the fee to participate, and we are judged at the end of the day.
And did you enjoy the rewards after?
me, I have a mixed feeling. The reward was not my target. The reward was not my target. After all, there are people who have won subsequently who they just did it for the competition's sake. I didn't do it for the competition's sake. I did it because I want to assert and know what I know. They are judge whether my business plan is worth it. I didn't drop it. A lot of people dropped theirs, but I didn't drop mine. I continue with it. So when you write, you see the merit and demerit, because our business plan was deconstructed, because we faced the panel and they told us what is wrong with business plan, what is right with the business plan, and at the end of the day, it gave you confidence. Some people were impressed with what you've written, some were not impressed when people criticize it. You go back and hit it back to pattern. And that's the advantage I have over when I wrote You Win. Other people were writing for the first time, already done a competition before. I've done a competition before, so when I'm writing the second time, the same plan, it was easy. So that's the advantage I have over some people now.
Very good. So my next question is, what are your plans for the future?
If you look very well, discover this place is very small. And I've already started planning to package rice, which I've done the NAFDAC necessary documentation, local rice, and the best. I have 4 machines coming, rice milling machine, which I want to locate in Nasarawa State. I have, that's why I've been running around lately. I have packaging machine, but that one is canning, cans spice or further paste. We want to go into water. I'm producing alkaline water. So there are a lot of things, and this place is too small for me. So what I'm doing is to appeal to places like AEA, to continue to appeal to the minister, to open up a zone for us, young entrepreneurs here in Abuja, to be able to own land. I don't have collateral to say to let me get mortgage to buy land. I need space. We need land. Bigger land, where we can put big structures. We'll not be intimidated by bringing in any machine into Nigeria, because there's bank of industry.